Candid means being honest and straightforward. Example: I appreciate how candid you were in our conversation. It really helped me understand the understand. Mirth means great joy or happiness, often expressed through laughter. Example: the room was filled with mirth as the comedian told his jokes. Lip service mean or intend to follow through on. It's like making promises that aren't backed by action. Example: the company gave lip service to environmental concerns, but didn't actually change their practices. Doomed. It's destined to fail or come to a bad end. Example: without a solid plan, the project seemed doomed from the start. Pace refers to the speed at which something happens or is done. Example: she set a brisk pace for the group during the hike. Promulgated means to make it widely known or officially declared. Example: the new policy was promulgated by the government to ensure everyone was informed. Lodged mean to be firmly fixed in place, or it can refer to staying somewhere temporarily. Example: they lodged at a cozy cabin during their vacation. Confined means restricted or limited to a certain area. Example: the prisoner was confined to a small cell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.